Hello everyone, I'm back with a swap, and this one was from Deb Houck, and we swapped a little ways back, and she has sent me her part of the deal. And the first part is this, very pretty. See if you can see that without the glare. This is from Tuesday morning. The part number is 2106444. Up there. And this is what you get in the pack. Turn that sideways so you can see it. Very pretty. I love this. So, how many you get? Oh, there's 63 pieces. It's K Company. K & Company. Thank you, Deb. And she has sent a really pretty card. I'm not going to read it, but I will show you the card. Deb makes all her cards, and they're just gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? And then the back, she's got her stamp on there. Deb is a new representative of Stampin' Up, and I'll leave her link below if you'd like to go over and join her group. And if you need some product, just give her a jingle. And then this is she has sent some cards that she has made, but isn't that gorgeous? And they're all blank, so I can use them and send them on. And I think they're blank on the inside, yes. And then she's got her stamp on the back. I'm lucky to have a friend like you. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. And she does cards really well than this one. She also does tutorials. I think it's Tuesday night. And so that one's real pretty too. I can use that one. Love that one. Very pretty. It's got a texture to it. Kind of like a marbled. I've seen a lot of dirty pour look like that too. And then Hooray. This is for a man. Well, I don't know. I've seen a lot of women ride motorcycles, so I can't say it's for a man. But I've got this paper. I ordered it, and I love it. And then there's her signature and dated on the back, and it's blank. So thank you, Debbie, for the extra cards. I love them. And I love the pack, too. So thank you, everybody, for coming in. I hope you hit that subscribe button, that little arrow there, and I will subscribe back to you. Thank you so much for coming in, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.